Hey guys, so what's up? Sorry about my wrist. We were playing Red Rover and my wrist bent backwards. But anyways, and sorry for my outfit and my voice. I just wanted to dance and my voice is just, I don't know. So I got a humongous package from kawaii4girls. And I'm not going to show you this because I didn't cover up my address here. There. So I am so excited, and I thought it came so quickly. I think I ordered it on Monday night. I thought I was gonna get it yesterday, because my friends ordered their package before I did, and they haven't got it yet. So yeah. Oh gosh. Okay. Sorry about this, you guys. And I got 3 Cafe Diem things, so I'm really excited. And this is like a huge package. Oh my gosh. I got so much. Okay, so let me get the invoice. Oh gosh, I'm really excited, but I don't want to scream. So she said, "We really appreciate your business. We hope you will visit our website again. Please find us on Facebook." And she's so nice. I mean, yeah. So I spent $43, which I know is a lot, but yeah. So I got this Cafe Diem ice cream, and it has mint chocolate chip and strawberry, I think. Sorry. Yeah, I don't know. She didn't really tell me, but this was $7. And let me take it out of the pack. Oh my gosh, I love this tag. It's really cute. So sorry for the noise. I want to feel it. Oh, it's soft. Let me take the tag off. I don't want to lose the tag because I feel like the tag's really cute. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. It's really squishy. But it comes up pretty fast. I don't know if it's licensed. I don't think it's supposed to be like this, but I think this is really cute. It looks like kind of like it's dripping right there. It's really squishy, and it has a stretchy cell phone strap. Oh my gosh, it's really squishy. And then I got this flower donut, or some people call them cooler donuts. And this, I got 2. One is for my friend Sadie, and I don't know what one I'm gonna keep. So I'm just gonna... Oh, this one's like way bigger. Oh my gosh, they're different. I think I got 2 different kinds. Oh, they're both flower donuts. I don't know what one I'm gonna keep. But they're both really squishy. Oh my gosh, the Cafe Diem cream puff. Oh my gosh. It's so teeny. Oh my gosh. So it has the same thing. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's so squishy. It may not look squishy, but it's really squishy. Oh my gosh. So cute. And that was $7.95. And then I got this Spiritual cream puff. And it's pretty hard, and I already knew that. Because my friend has a really cute cream puff, which I'm getting for Christmas probably. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This is really squishy. It's really soft. Because, yeah. It's way smaller than I thought. I thought it would be like humongous. And on her website, they have chocolate and peanut butter. It's really squishy. And that was, sorry, where is it? Oh, it's $7.95 too. Sorry. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So I got these cake rolls, and I love these ones. They have like a Mickey Mouse pretzel, and then whipped cream, and I think that's like an orange, and there's like a few sprinkles, and then on the side, I don't know what it is, because I don't want to open it because one of them's for my friends. Oh, so cute. And then, yeah, I got another one. Jeez. So the other one's for my other friend, because I couldn't order two for each of them. Because, oh, this one here broke. I don't know which one's squishier. They're not very squishy, but they're really cute. So I got those two, and I got the other cake roll. This is so cute. And I'll take this one out of packaging because this one's so like soft. So this one has like, I don't know what they're called. They're those candies. And it has chocolate drizzle and nuts. Oh, and a little ice cream scoop. I didn't know that was an ice cream scoop. And on the side, it's either like nuts or coconut. But this is so cute. And it has a ball chain, but which are my favorite, but I don't like it. But the bottom's like hard. I don't know. But I don't care. It's super cute. Oh my gosh. So I'm really excited. So thanks for watching. And yeah, there's stuff coming. Oh, and just kidding. Let me just show you. I got extras. And here's your business card. So just pause if you want to read it. Sorry. And then here's the back. So pause if you want to read it. And she gave me extras. On your first order, she gives you a squishy. Oh my gosh. So first she gave me this little bear, and I have like two of these. I would have three, but I gave the other one to my friend. Fred. And then she gave me two deco tapes. One is like Rilakkuma or Rilakkuma and Rilakkuma in Paris. Super cute. It says like, can't read it. And there's an Eiffel Tower right here. You can't see it. Oh yeah, you can. And there it is. It's right there. And then she gave me this one. That's just like Rilakkuma with apples. So she gave me two last time, and I actually love deco tape, so that's totally fine. I wish she would give stationery or squishies. Sorry, I'm really picky, but I actually love these. But yeah, so thanks for watching. kawaii4girls is really awesome. Their stuff is really cheap. Oh, and the cake rolls were like, sorry, the cake rolls They were not that much. They're $2.80, so they're not pricey at all. So yeah, thanks for watching, and again, her stuff is really awesome. So yeah, I hope you guys like this, and I may be making some videos tomorrow because Sadie's gonna be here, one of my friends. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!